Alright, guys. So, today we are going to talk about how to get job into the industrial automation field, right? So, first of all, what is the industrial automation field? It comprises of like PLC, robotics, electrical design, vision system, and so many other stuff. Okay, so I'm keeping this thing in the mind first of all. So, being a fresher, it's really tough to get the first job into the field, right? So, I will show you some tips and tricks, what are steps you should follow to get the job into this field being a fresher. Like you can simply use these tips and tricks, use these steps to get job into your own field also, right? So, and this is all what I did. Okay, what I did to get my first job after completing my masters here in Canada. Okay, so please listen to the video properly. Sometimes if I'm writing, you will not be able to see what I'm writing, but don't worry, I will explain you totally. Okay, all right. So, first of all, the very important thing, what type of projects should you build? Okay, how can you build your network important thing. लोग कहते हैं कि बिना रेफरेंस जॉब नहीं मिलेगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. यू शुड बिल्ड योर नेटवर्क. ओके, रेफरेंस अगर कुछ सामने से चल के नहीं आएगा. What all certifications should you take? Okay, and the most how to don't go on the spelling. Okay, yeah, how to strategize your job search and job application. So guys, two the most important things: how to strategize your job search and application, and what type of projects. Okay, again telling, just ignore any spelling mistakes, any pronunciation mistakes. Focus on the material. Okay, projects. Okay, so whoever I meet, uh, whether he or she is a junior, whether he or she is a senior, still finding jobs, not able to crack the code, how to get the job into the field first time, I tell them the very first thing: what type of projects are you showcasing into your resume? What type of experience are you showing in your resume? Being a fresher, it's not like you don't have to show anything and you will get the job. Being a fresher, you might not have the real experience, you might not have into the industry, but you should have the knowledge. You should have the knowledge of the field. Okay, so how can you prove your knowledge? You have to showcase your projects. Okay, you have to showcase your projects. So now let's talk about, and this is my new business card over here. So like, what else I do is, if you can see this thing, like outside technical sales I do, industrial automation, PLC, robotics, organic marketing I do, financial advisory I do a good, like, if you are interested in financial stuff, then please contact me out. I advise things in stocks, mutual fund, SIP, asset management, retirement planning, my most favorite thing. एक्सपर्ट इन इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजरी। लाइक भाई लोग सब घर से फीस मंगाते हैं, तो कैसे घर से फीस मंगाए बिना इधर से पूरा फाइनेंस मैनेज करने का। एंड आई डिड ऑल दैट स्टफ. Custom product development, yes, I do custom product development in embedded, in electronics, in biomedical products, electronics, anything, whatever you say, 3D printing. Okay, I help freshers find their field job. This is the important thing, free of cost. Okay, अब इसको साइड में रख देते हैं. All right, let's get back to the topic. So I generally see in the resumes what type of project they had showcase. Okay, just talking about this stuff right now. Okay, industrial automation, PLC, robotics, keeping into mind what type of projects they had built, like conveyor, start stop, then box, sorting machine, like if it's a small box or a big box, or according to color, all this stuff. Then simple pick and place robot thing, and so many simple stuff, right? So simple projects, you can see, if you can see it right now, conveyor, start stop, box, sorting machines, like small box, big box, according to color, sort it out. Then pick and place simple robots project, or maybe on a universal robot or something like that. So this type of projects are not going to work, not at all. If you just show this simple things to the recruiter, to the technical recruiter, they are not going to be get convinced with this stuff. Guys, the industry right now is so much advanced right now. If you show them this thing, they will surely not going to get interested into your profile. And even कुछ लोग तो ये भी शो नहीं करते हैं how it is going to be worked. And then they keep on saying, I don't get job, I don't get job, I don't get job. Bro, if you do this type of stuff, surely not going to get. I will show you what you have to do, what I did. Okay, so you have to build your project portfolio. You have to build, whether it is in the form of your own website or on your Google Drive, anything. Whatever projects you make a video out of it, post it on YouTube, or just keep it on Google Drive, or you can show it on your website. I did this thing. I made my own website. I showcased my project. And this is how I convinced the recruiters. Right? So you have to make your project portfolio, which comprises of good projects. Right? It's not just like 2-3 projects in your resume. No. It is not going to work. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. Okay, so let's say what would be the great examples of good project. Okay, great examples of good project. Let's get to the main topic. I don't know if yellow color will work or not. Oh, green color. Let's take a important thing, safety. You can make so many different type of projects on safety. Okay, like configuring safety relay. If you don't know about safety relay, go search it out. It is very important in industrial automation. Safety relays. Make something on light curtains. At least know how light curtains work, how it is being wired, how they are being configured, how cascading of light curtains are cascading of light curtains. See, so many different good projects. Safety mats. Guys, one of my most favorite thing, 3D area scanner. Guys, if you showcase the recruiters this type of thing, they are surely going to get interested into your profile. 3D area scanner, work on Cognax, Kians. Just if you speak some good technical words, they are going to be interested into your profile for sure. Okay, and robot cell safety system, like let's say this is the robot. Okay, so you might have seen the whole cell, right, around the robot. This is the robot, so this is like safety cell. Okay, so there is a different type of safety system. If let's say robot is working on 100% speed and somebody enters into the cell, robot can heavily damage that person. So the safety cell, so there is a different system for it, right? So there are different types of safety cell doors available, different types of locks available, which directly communicates to PLC whether everything is okay or not, everything is okay or not. So that is what the safety things is. So guys, make something like this. It's surely going to impact safety type of projects. I will show you some other projects also. Let's talk about PLC robot communication projects. Guys, PLC and robot, they communicate between each other continuously. Each and every moment, each and every second they communicate, right? So there are different types of input outputs in robot, like group IOs, digital IOs, analog, right? There are so many different type of IOs in the robot. Sorry. So the main thing is integrating these input outputs with the PLC, what we call the handshaking of robot and PLC. Handshaking of robot and PLC. If you can't see all this stuff, just listen to me. Okay? Just don't make excuses out of each and everything. Oh, ये तो दिख नहीं रहा है, वो that is not good, that is not good. You must have to figure out each and everything. Okay? Don't stop making excuses. The first step is stop making excuses. See opportunity in each and everything. If you get free internship, do it. I did free internship. I was working for totally free of cost for 2 months. But I got to learn a lot of things over there. And just because of that, I got my first job after that. Okay? So first of all thing is stop making excuses. PLC robot handshaking, make projects on this thing. See? The most important things. Let's say I will give you a very small example. This is hydraulic press. Okay? There are sensors on top of it, there are sensors on bottom, there are sensors in middle, so many sensors. Okay? So these all sensors communicate with PLC. The whole hydraulic press system communicates with PLC. Let's say there is a robot over here. Let's say there are 2 robots over here. Interesting. So this robot goes inside this hydraulic press, picks up the part, come outside. Or else this robot goes inside the hydraulic press, picks up the part, place it over here, and then again hydraulic press comes down. This robot picks up the part from your finished part and bring it outside the hydraulic press. So see, there is a hydraulic press. There are two robots working simultaneously. So both the robots are communicating with PLC. Okay, I am right now inside the hydraulic press. Don't press the hydraulic press. I am now outside of the hydraulic press. Now you can proceed. This both robot will be communicating with each other. Okay, I am right now over here. You don't come over here. Otherwise, will be crash. Like, they don't talk in this language, obviously. But the thing is, each and every system communicate with each other, right? So through these sensors, they know, okay, hydraulic press is right now on the top position. You can enter this cell right now. Okay, I hope you can see, I hope you can listen, I hope you can hear. Ignore totally ignore spelling mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, grammatical mistakes, and stop making excuses. Okay, so communication. See, another topic, very important topic. Communication. There are so many different communication protocols in industrial automation. Profinet, Profibus, Ethernet IP, Ethercat, Sarcos, ASI. This is one of my most favorite, ASI. See, I just told you about 6 different types of communication protocols. Work on this thing. Work on this thing. Work on this thing. This thing. This thing. This is how your project should look like. What type of projects? This type of projects. I hope you are getting my point. Guys, see videos of real videos into the industry. You will see there are lots of things happening inside the industry. There are automated guided vehicles moving here and there. There are safety scanners each and everywhere. Each and everything is communicating with each other, right? At some factory, they might be producing like hundreds of cars each and every day. So just think about the system, what they are going into it. So you must focus on this type of projects. So that was the first point. This was only the first point. Still second, third, fourth point are remaining. The most important is this one. So watch another videos that I post. This thing is going to be posted right away, and feel free to contact me, feel free to email me, ping me on Instagram, anything, whatever you like. This is my business card, this is my website QR code. I don't know if you can see it, if you can scan it through the video or not. Anyways, you can just comment and I will contact you, no worries. But you have to focus on this type of things. Thank you so much.